I can provide information on the top 10 cryptocurrencies as of my last knowledge update in January 2022. Please keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the ranking of cryptocurrencies can change rapidly. It's important to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Here are the top 10 cryptocurrencies from my last update. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It is often considered a store of value and a digital gold. Many investors view it as a long-term investment due to its limited supply and widespread adoption. 2. Ethereum, ETH, is known for its smart contract functionality, enabling decentralized applications, DApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi, projects. It has a strong community and continuous development. 3. Binance Coin, BNB Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. BNB has various use cases within the Binance ecosystem and is often used to pay for trading fees. 4. Cardano, ADA, as a blockchain platform with a focus on sustainability, scalability, and interoperability. It's known for its academic approach to development and its unique consensus algorithm, Ouroboros. 5. Solana, Sol, as a high-performance blockchain known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees. It's gained popularity for hosting various DeFi and NFT projects. 6. XRP is the cryptocurrency associated with the Ripple network, which aims to facilitate cross-border payments. It's designed for fast and low-cost international transfers. 7. Polkadot, as a multi-chain network that enables different blockchains to interoperate and share information. It's designed to enhance the scalability and interoperability of the blockchain ecosystem. 8. Dogecoin, Doge, originally created as a meme coin, Dogecoin gained popularity due to social media and celebrity endorsements. However, it's considered a highly speculative investment. 9. Avalanche, AVAX, as a platform designed for custom blockchain development and interoperability. It aims to provide a flexible and scalable environment for developers. 10. Chainlink, Link, as a decentralized Oracle network that facilitates smart contracts by providing real-world data and events to the blockchain. It's crucial for DeFi applications. Please remember that this list is based on my knowledge up to January 2022, and the cryptocurrency market is subject to rapid changes. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, conduct thorough research, consider your risk tolerance, and stay updated with the latest developments in the space. It's also wise to consult with financial experts if you are uncertain about your investment decisions.